Hello everyone, welcome back Paramedical Career Academy. Today I am going to continue with part 4 of 5000 MCQs of CHO examinations. Actually this questions is also helpful for sanitary inspector examinations. So let's begin with unit 4, that is concept of community health. Question number 1 is in the definition of epidemiology. Determinants generally includes option A is agents, option B causes, option 3 control measures, option 4 is sources. So the correct answer is option B, that is causes. Question number 2 is epidemiology as defined in this lesson would include which of the following activities. Option A is describing the demographic characteristic of persons which acute alpha toxic poisoning in district A. Option B is comparing the family history, amount of exercise, the and eating habit of those with and without newly diagnosed diabetes. Option 3 is recommending that a restaurant be closed after implicating it as the source of hepatitis A outbreak. And option D is all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 3 is public health surveillance includes which of the following activities. Option A is soliciting case report of person with symptoms compatible with SAR as from local hospitals. Option B creating graph of the number of dog bites by week and neighborhood. Option C is writing a report on a trend in seatbelt use to share with a state legislature. Option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 4 is the hallmark feature of an analytic epidemiologic study is. Option A is use of an appropriate comparison group. Option B is laboratory confirmation of the diagnosis. Option C is publication in a peer reviewed journal. Option 4 is statistical analysis using logical regression. So the correct answer is option A, that is use of an appropriate comparison group. Question number 5 is comparing numbers and rates of illness in a community. Rates are preferred for. Option A is conducting surveillance for communicable diseases. Option B is deciding how many doses of immune globulin are needed. Option C is estimating subgroup at highest risk. Option D is telling physician which strain of influenza is most prevalent. So the correct answer is option C, that is estimating subgroup at highest risk. Question number 6 is when analyzing surveillance data by age, which of the following age group is preferred? Option A is 1 year age group, option B 5 year age group, option 3 is 10-year age group, and option 4 is depending on a disease. So the correct answer is depending on the disease. Question number 7 is a study in which children are randomly assigned to receive either a newly formulated vaccine or the currently available vaccine and are followed to monitor for side effects and effectiveness of each vaccine is an example of which of the following which type of study. Option A is experimental, option B clinical trial, option C is case control, option D is A and B. So the correct answer is A and B. Question number 8 is a cohort studies differ from a case control study in that option A subjects are enrolled or categorized on the basis of the exposure status in a cohort study but not in a case control study. Option B, subjects are asked about the exposure status in cohort study but not in a case control study. Option C is cohort studies required many years to conduct but case control studies do not. Option D is cohort study are conducted to investigate chronic disease state control studies and used for infectious disease. So the correct answer is option A. Question number 9 is the epidemiological triad of disease. Questions refers to option A is agent, host, environment. Option B time, space, time, place, person. Option 3 is source, mode of transmission, susceptible host. Option D is Jon Snow, Robert Koch, and Kenneth Rothman. Option. So the correct answer is option A, agent, host, and environment. Question number 10 is the direct mode of transmission of disease are option A is vehicle borne, option B foodborne, option 3 vector borne, and option D is transplacental. So the correct answer is option D, that is transplacental. Transplacental. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this session. If you like this session, please like, share, subscribe this channel, and keep watching. Thank you so much.